What's wrong, buddy?
I can never find my angle on this thing.
I think high angle usually works for you.
Yeah, and all the pictures are in sepia.
You can change that in the settings.
Oh no, I like it. Makes it look like I'm in the Wild West. Also, all my pictures vertical. How do I change that?
You can
Is it
hold
like
your phone differently.
on the setting? Did it get dim in here?
I don't know, something's up.
When did they build that building?
Oh, man, it's blocking the natural light and my favorite place to bird watch.
And they're luxury condos. We just got a regular apartment.
Thankfully, we learned a trick when we were living in that basement apartment.
Right, mirrors. They're not just good for checking yourself out. You can also use them to bounce light.
First, you want to find the best source of light in your apartment. Right there. It's that lamp.
Lamp.
I guess there's a little light coming in from the top of that window.
I guess that lamp over there. Always forget about that lamp.
All you need to do is place a mirror at the opposite side of the apartment, facing the light source.
Now, if you're not hosting a show like this one and you live in a standard four-walled apartment, you could place a mirror here.
Or here.
Or here.
So when you stand in the center of the room, voila! A brighter room.
Plus, you get to use all those mirrors.
And we're done. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. What's up, DIYers?
Hey, Tweeps. In conclusion, mirror chains brighten your place without needing to add lighting fixtures.
And this inexpensive solution will make your apartment look like...
Now that's DIY. Did it.
Yeah!